You know, once you get south of the car slums and retail cesspools of the Orlando area, down here in South Central Florida, you come onto this spine of sand, which is the highest point in Florida. These little sand dune deposits, and you get a lot of cool plants down here. It's a section of almost entirely white quartzitic sand. You can see this here. They call it sugar sand. It's just basically the Appalachian Mountains weathered down, ground down, washed into the sea, and then washed up here in this dune system that goes north and south throughout South Central Florida. Little piece of forgotten Florida, and as you can see, there's a ton of cool plants here that only occur this direct immediate vicinity in this region. Lake Wales Ridge endemics. We got plants like this species of vinegar weed in the genus Trichostema and the mint family Lamiaceae. This is Trichostema brigizii or zellii. We got this weird bastard, which is from the Olicaceae, the Olax family, which is in the mistletoe order Santalales, Ximenia americana, also known as hog plum, but there's a couple different unrelated plants referred to as that. It's got a cool fruit on it. And then down here, most banger of them all, we got this endemic Liatris olingerae. You can see this thing. Look at that. It's a fucking blazing star. Look how massive that thing is. Look at the filaries on it. Holy hell. Take it easy. You get those 5-lobe flora corollas spilling out those styles, which you would expect from any member of the Joe Pyeweed and Stevia tribe of Asteraceae, the Eupatoriae tribe. Look at that, massive. It's got to have a massive root down there in the ground too. So many of the sand plants have deep tap roots. This ground cover that looks like a scrub oak is Geobalanus oblongifolius, and then this guy is another dope plant. Very old lineage here, one of the lycophytes. This is Selaginella. This is Selaginella arenicola, and you can see it produces its spores because it reproduces by spores outside of these little, or in the little bracts of these little things that look like pipe cleaners on the edge of those leaves. Nice chalky mint color. Dry as a bone right now, but if you put some water on it, it'll come back to life within half an hour to an hour. Start photosynthesizing and metabolizing again, getting it done. So many cool plants out here. We also got this scrub oak, this Quercus inopina, right here forming these little colonies. Much of the area used to look like this, but then later got destroyed and turned into citrus fields, and then later bleak suburban sprawl, like really bleak suburban sprawl, like places you don't want to live because they make you feel dead inside. You know, most of the Sun Belt in the United States looks like that. But it's so important that this is preserved, that this is left, and it is protected for now. But you know, it's Florida, so you know these fucking shitbag developers keep coming for what's left. The government here is so corrupt. The developers always get in and try to take pieces of what public land is left. So it's an ongoing fight. Got to protect places like this. They're so special and they're so important. Anyway, that's all I got. Go fuck yourself. Bye.